Have you ever sat down to watch a 1 hour lecture or a long YouTube video and after 5 minutes you are like, what did I learn? If this sounds like you, this tool can transform your boring lectures notes into mind maps, flashcard, an interactive podcast, or even a full-fledged AI taught video.
Okay, let's dive into the wild world of surrealism. What better way to kick things off than with Salvador Dali's Illumined Pleasures from 1929? Okay, so to really get where surrealism came from, let's hit the highlights on a quick timeline.
The tool is called NotebookLM, and by the end of this video, you will learn how to use it and why you should. In this video, I'll explain what is NotebookLM, how to use it step by step, why you should use it, and what are the upcoming features. So if you are a student or someone who just want to learn smart, stay with me. NotebookLM is an AI notebook made by Google. You can feed it your lecture notes, website links, YouTube videos, and many more things, and it works only with that. And how cool is that? It can help you to summarize those notes. You can just ask it to summarize those notes so you don't have to go through endless text, or even it can make mind maps, flashcard, and many more things. My favorite mode actually is the podcast mode because I can even interact with that. Now let me tell you how to use it. Collect your material, upload it into NotebookLM, pick what do you want to generate. You can even chat with it. You can simply say summarize all the notes or all the material and it can do all that. Lastly, save or export your material just to be safe. Now why it helps? The reason is simple. When you learn a thing in many forms, like video, like notes, like a podcast, or like more visual things, it helps you to remember and retain those things very quickly because your brain learns better when you teach it by using patterns, not only by notes. It is not perfect though. If you upload messy notes, you can get messy results. But the tool is growing very fast. Google is adding new features and new languages. Currently, it supports more than 80 languages, and the video feature is also new. In future, it can be like your personal tutor. So here what I suggest. Don't just watch this video and move on. Give this tool a try. Pick a PDF or a lecture you already have. Try to generate a podcast or mind map with that and you will see how much easier it gets. Also do share your experience in the comment section. If this video was helpful, hit like and subscribe because I'll share more such tools which actually make learning less painful. Also, you can suggest improvement I can make in these videos. So this was all about NotebookLM. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.
All right, today we're jumping into a really strange story. It's about a totally normal guy, a very famous train station, and a claim that, well, it seems to break all the rules of reality.